Good day, sir. My name is Isil Philip Dayula, and my course is Bachelor in Science in Criminology. The topic I chose is the Philippine-American War, 1899 to 1902. Why I chose this topic? Because it played a crucial role in shaping the Philippines' political landscape and its relationship with the United States. Many people focus on Spanish colonization and later events like World War II. But this war is often overlooked despite its significance in Philippine history. The background and causes. The Philippine-American War was a direct result of the Spanish-American War of 1898. After the Treaty of Paris, Spain ceded the Philippines the United States for $20 million, disregarding Filipino aspirations for independence. The Philippines the Philippines had already declared independence on June 12, 1898, under Emilio Aguinaldo's leadership, but the U.S. refused to recognize these tensions escalated on February 4, 1899. Fighting broke out between Filipino and American forces in Manila, marking the start of the war. Philippine revolutionaries fought using guerrilla tactics against the more advanced and better equipped American troops. The war was brutal, with reports of massacres, concentration camps, and with widespread destruction. By 1902, the U.S. declared victory, though pockets of resistance persisted for years. The reflections and relevance to the present. While researching this event, I realized how deeply it influenced modern Philippines politics and U.S.-Philippines relations. The war highlighted the struggle between imperialism and self-determination, a theme that continues in many global conflicts today. The brutality of the war, including civilian casualties and human rights abuses, reminds us of the cost of war and foreign inventions. Today, the U.S. remains a strong ally of the Philippines, but historical tensions still surface in discussion about military agreements and sovereignty. Understanding this war helps explain why many Filipinos have mixed feelings about foreign influence about and why the country continues to assert its independence on the global stage. This event is a reminder that history is not just about the past, it shapes our present and future. The fight for sovereignty and national identity, which began over a century ago, continues in different forms today. That's all. That's all. Thank you, sir.